case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2011 case that took center stage at the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit, Alfred Toronka, a black man from Sierra Leone, presented charges of employment discrimination against Continental Airlines. Toronka, an employee with Continental, saw his rights to fair treatment encroached upon parameters of race, color, national origin, religion, and alleged neglect of his disability condition. Toronka was serving as a material specialist in the stores department at George Bush Intercontinental Airport when the thorny issue unfolded. In 2003, he had received a warning from the airline for mishandling hazardous materials. The situation intensified in 2007 when Toronka was involved in a perilous accident, which led to his suspension for 2 weeks from the airline. However, Continental provisioned him with an oar to cling to, an opportunity to retain his job following a mandated referral to the Employee Assistance Program, EAP. Despite the harsh treatment, Toronka claimed that the company singled him out because of his disability, as protected under the Americans with Disability Act, ADA. However, he was unable to substantiate that he was disabled, qualified for the position he held, or that Continental had made an adverse employment decision based solely on his alleged disability. Further complicating matters, he could not carry out the fundamental functions of his job with reasonable adjustments, nor could a vacant position be found for him. His request for a new inventory position on the second shift was deemed not reasonable, as Continental Airlines was under no obligation to infringe on its seniority system to accommodate him. The court, presided over by Circuit Judge Jerry E. Smith, upheld the summary judgment in favor of Continental Airlines. The decision was driven by the lack of a similarly situated employee of a different race, color, national origin, or religion who had been treated differently. Continental also couldn't be expected to accommodate Toronka's disability reasonably. In the end, the court upheld Continental Airlines' decision, which is encapsulated in the summary judgment. Despite his fervent attempts, Toronka failed to establish a case of discrimination under the ADA or substantiate reasons for the airline to accommodate his disability. The claim for a new position was found to violate the seniority system, making it unreasonable, thereby extinguish his fight for justice.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.